Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you the start of the first racing, or the first event scene. Basically this is what the game's about, racing. So let's go ahead and skip through this intro. I'll go downtown. This is the event that I set up. So the player will spawn into the world, we'll be able to see the event on the mini-map, and we could drive to it, and once we actually get to it, we'll be loaded into the event. So here we can see we're in the open world. I can see the event on the mini-map. I'll go ahead and drive to it. And what that's basically going to do is reload the open world scene, which is the open world scene, well, the art portion of it is being loaded additively. So basically any of the event scenes, I just also load the open world scene into it, and that lets me have the ability to control basically any aspect of the open world that I want to change, because I will separate the logic and the UI systems from the actual art. So that's the approach I'm taking for that. And here we can see we have the base of a racing system. This car is going really slow, and he's actually not going to adjust his speed at all for some of these turns, and the waypoints that he's aiming for are not really properly set up. So he's acting wonky right now. I'm going to need to spend some time cleaning him up and making him go faster. But we can see the race tracking aspect is working. So I'm in first, he's in first. Now I'm in first and he's in first. So that whole aspect is working. We're tracking the time. The UI looks horrible still, so I need to actually spend some time cleaning that up. These waypoints don't look good. There's really a lot of work that I'm going to need to put into this system in a lot of different areas. I need to set up the waypoint arrow so it's pointing at which direction we need to drive in. So I'm just going to go ahead and drive through this race. I should probably have set up a smaller race, and I still might do that so I could do faster testing. I guess we'll see how much it slows me down. But at this point, yeah, this is kind of my idea for the race. At least for the first race, you'll drive around downtown against one of the AI cars, and he just definitely needs to move faster. I think that's the most important thing I need to fix. So once he's moving faster, then I feel like it'll be in a good place. So once I basically reach the last waypoint, which is this one here, the UI disappears. So that's where I'm at so far in the first event and race. And once I finish setting this up, it'll be basically the template scene that I use for all of the other events and races throughout the game. So this is probably going to be one of the deepest areas of work. I think it'll take me about a week or so to go through and just get this to a good spot. But yeah, that's it. At this point, I'm working on races and the racing system or event system, and it just has a lot of work to go. So this is the start of it, and thanks for checking it out. See you in the next video.